Okay, so I finished polishing all the blades. The next step is to mount the pieces of wood that I have coated with Danish oil, and I have also polished it. And I will rivet them. The wood handle. Later on I will shave off a little bit of the rivet head with the rotary tool. The other one. There. Look, it will be something like that. I will attach blade 9 and 8 together, 7 and 6 together, 1 and 2 together, and 3 and 4 together. Then I'll assemble the sub-assemblies together, and then lastly with blade 5. Folded one time, double thickness.
You cannot stay here.
I have attached blades 1 and 2 together, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now I will attach these subgroups together. The next pair of hands could be handy right about now. Okay, so my wooden handle cracked at the tip here. So I had to break it off to disassemble it from the fan. And this was done in the wrong orientation, so it was already weakened by the fiber direction. So I made a new one, more robust. This time it won't break. And also turned it 90 degrees for the fiber orientation. It won't crack because of that and because of the robustness. There, I finished it completely, and I even added the decoration here. The little aqua there. This time the wood didn't crack. It's a bit sturdy now. Thick. Here is the fence once folded. Now I did not fold it completely on purpose. There's friction preventing me from folding it completely. Moving with this fan doesn't seem too heavy when it's unfolded, but it's not possible to trim with it since it can't close freely, open and close freely. Now if I made the rivets more loose, wider, then it would get stuck when closing. It would not close properly. And tighter, then it's even more difficult to open and close. So this principle is only for a decorative fan. But I'm still pleased with the results. Yeah, I'm pleased with the results. My only regret with this fan is that it's made of steel instead of stainless steel. And that's it. Thank you for watching.